The one thing you notice is that the army sure has a lot of money because they have abandoned a lot of these buildings. But this is near Penmar, and I guess it's true. I guess you can go inside as a civilian inside this little fort. This has seen better days. Now the key is finding him. Oh, there he is. He's right over there. I guess he was right. He was right about this. Apparently, this is open to civilians, but this is a army base. And apparently it's like deserted. There he is. I think he enjoys this a little bit too much. This is kind of cool though. I'm gonna do this just to see if Alright. What's up?
Come here. I just talked to a guy that knows all about this place.
What is this?
He lives near here and he commutes to DC from here. He said it takes him 1 hour and 10 minutes. He's walking his dogs. He said that this place is wide open. But here's the thing, it's an old army base that closed in 1998 and they have a lot of on-base housing. And then I'm going to show you this sign. They're going to build all new housing and condos here.
He's like a little boy in a candy store. Well, this is actually kind of amazing. I've gone through here so many times and I thought it was closed off to civilians. But apparently not. That's amazing. Actually, I'm kind of glad that he... man, this place is awesome. It's like a deserted town. So apparently it was abandoned in 1999 or 1998. Fort Ritchie. It's amazing that they have this much land here.
None of this is built yet. None of it. He said it's all going to be built.
So they're going to build a commercial hall here. So this is North Ritchie Street. It's got graffiti all over the place too. This is a really good house.
Hey, this was probably a general's house. This was probably for like a 1 or 2 star general.
Well, this might have been for a general, he said. And I mean, a stone house like this, away from the nosebleeds, is good. I can see this being a very cool area to develop and build condominiums. Look, they have a baseball field here. I do wonder why they stopped using this as a base. I swear to God, he hasn't been this vibrant ever since Rolling Thunder. I've never seen him this happy. I mean, who knew that this was here? Fort Ritchie. It's an abandoned army base. How crazy is that? This is just complete insanity. And all of these people are out here just fishing, having a good time. Fascinating little fort. I had no idea, but look, it's very open over there. Look at this. There's a I wonder what this is. It's like an old castle looking thing. The road is called Old Castle, and that's a firehouse. It definitely feels like you're in World War II or something. I know there's one with the door open. I kind of just want to look inside. He's just riding on the grass for some reason. Look at this. This is in really bad shape, but I'm kind of curious to see what's over here. It's kind of cool. See what's here. Wow. Look at this. The fuck spot. Yeah, they even drew a diagram, in case you didn't know. But that's kind of amazing. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Scared, dark. I don't know. This is... Are you scared of the dark? Yeah, not really. But that's kind of a fascinating little spot here. And this is another road. I don't know where this goes, but there's a lot of stuff inside here. These little scooters are perfect little machines to explore areas like this. Even riding around DC, I enjoy it quite a bit. There's a bunch of stuff everywhere here. It's fascinating. This must be what you can see from the road. There's mulch, some off-roady areas here. He almost fell. I think the problem is there's going to be a gate up ahead and we're not going to be able to exit. But it's fascinating.
You want to check it out?
Yeah, it ends.
Oh, it ends?
Yeah.
You can turn around.
It almost meets the road, but it doesn't. It's
let's turn around.
Well, let's go check it out. Man, this is very gravelly. We're almost at the road, so I'm kind of curious about this. That's what I thought. Gate. So you see this from the road. Yep, that's a gate.
This is gonna make killer footage for a great video.
Yeah, this is pretty neat, man. Let's... What is this? Oh, look at this house. This looks like it... Oh no, it's abandoned, but that is pretty badass. And you know, the what kind of flowers are those? They're in great shape. And this is how you get into here. Ah, that makes sense. Very hidden. This is all abandoned. All of these houses, they're abandoned. And there's a construction guy over there. Whoa, it's just so... Yeah, there's no cars anywhere. Yeah, I think even that car is abandoned. Man, this is all... This is crazy. Yeah, these are all abandoned. There's nothing here. I thought there might be people. This was where the army people lived. You know, low-income housing. But Spoon Bob. Meet Big Tit Girl inside. That is hilarious, man. Wow, this is crazy.
Fort Ritchie, Maryland. The space closed in 1998. We are in on-post housing. This is an on-post housing area, and you have duplexes here. So once upon a time, this was probably for maybe enlisted families, maybe junior officers. Those with on-post housing would be able to share these duplexes. Believe it or not, this place closed in 1998, and it looks like it has been seriously neglected. You can roll right into this place. So, here we are.
This would be one of the low-income housing units.
So a gentleman told me that they went from low-income housing, that's what this was at one time, relatively recently, according to him, that they forced them out. They forced out the low-income Section 8 housing families or individuals that were living here, and now they're coming in to redevelop and renovate and build all new housing and condos. So the wealthy are going to move into this area when all these new condo and housing developments are built. Look at that artwork right across the street. That's
yeah, that's it says "Meet Big Tit Girl inside." And then there's a penis to the right, and a girl.
So this may be an area for prostitution, perhaps.
I think it's just graffiti.
Or human trafficking.
Could be.
So
we
yeah,
could
they
be
got
lucky
the hot
and
water
find
heater.
someone.
If you notice, they took the hot water heater out. It looks like.
Yeah, but
That's
this looks fairly
that's the heat
new.
pump, correct? Yeah,
It's
because
like the heater.
well, you're right. The base was closed.
So here's the kitchen.
So look at this right here. Look at the
Pretty
fuse
small
box.
houses. There's
Check out the fuse box. I mean,
Fuse
obviously,
box.
I would say that this is post 1998. So obviously, people were living. in
Hey,
here.
this is actually better than me. 2 sinks. I don't have that. Let's just take
Not
this.
bad. Look at the fridge is still here.
Fridge. These fridges are probably even better than the ones that you buy now because, you know, the new ones are made to break.
Yeah, these are probably a little more durable from the early 2000s, perhaps.
Oh, probably even.
Yeah.
There's like a rock right in the middle of the. So I don't even know how many bedrooms this
You would
is.
never know what you come across in a dwelling like this. You have no idea what you're going to find.
Yeah, it could be dead bodies.
Absolutely. There could be human trafficking. There could be drug dens. There could be a meth lab.
Let's
Oh
hope.
wow! Oh look.
So here's a Tory Ward made my dick itch.
Now,
Hey, hardwood
Ward, that's
floors.
a girl's name, obviously. So obviously, some type of illicit activity has been occurring.
I think this is mostly
Wait a
like
second.
Chris Skyer likes cock 240-626-5077.
So obviously, these dwellings, especially because where we are right here, we're at the extreme end of the housing development. So perhaps these are the most attractive for people to come and hide out in.
So Sprite.
Scenic, beautiful area, you know, way out here in the countryside. And I can imagine that the condos and the new houses are.
I mean, it's actually kind of spacious. It's well organized too. You know, the interesting thing about this is that it's small, but I mean, I would totally live here. So we're gonna go here where the big tit girl. I don't think that we're gonna.
Those fire hydrants.
Nice fire hydrants. Gonna. So this is a duplex style, not very popular.
Now remember, you have no idea what you're going to come across in here as far as bodies or. There's a bathroom. It's nice to have a guest bathroom right there.
Did the other one have it?
No, I don't think it did. Maybe we missed it.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, the hot water tank's still there. Oh, goodness.
Where's the kitchen?
Oh, that's fascinating. Look what's still here. Jello.
Jello.
No, wait. No, this is evidence of squatting. You may have squatters here. This
Think
is
so?
Yeah, because look,
there's some food.
Yeah, this is squatters. You have people living
Make
here.
sure we don't.
Oh my gosh!
So what is this? Pinworm treatment?
Is that what that is?
Pin X? I never even. Family
Is that for
size.
pinworms?
Pin X.
Oh my gosh!
What's a pinworm?
People are satanic. Oh, we must be doing satanic worship here.
Or they just painted that. Oh, look at that! More satanic stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely a Satan worshippers dwelling for sure.
Look at me when I speak to you.
Holy smokes!
And it says, fucking.
You're not going to believe this.
What?
They have hair clippers plugged in as if there's actually electricity here. So could that be squatters or the previous?
There wasn't previous owners. I think this is all previous owners.
That's amazing.
Before I bought my house, I've been to homes in DC that were much worse kept than this. Literally. I've seen houses in DC for like $300,000 worse than this.
Disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting.
So there's people that actually live in worse areas in DC. By the way, there's mold on the walls,
Yeah,
but it seems to be
black
dry.
mold, right? Oh, because they broke this window.
Yeah, so there's moisture coming in.
I would say Fort Ritchie, Maryland was once a highly desired, highly sought after posting for the U.S. Army. There are a couple of lakes down there. You can fish, you take your kayaks out. You got great scenery around here. I'm not sure where the people worked, the military personnel that once lived here. I'm not sure where they worked because I was told by that gentleman that there weren't so many Army units here. This was also, primarily used for on-post housing. So it was one of those bases similar to Fort Belvoir, Virginia, where you don't have so many units on the base, but they utilize it for on-post housing to keep it affordable. So I'm really curious. There are people walking around here. We're not the only ones scoping it out. But this obviously closed as a military base in 1998, and then it transferred to Section 8 low-income housing sometime after 1998. And then sometime relatively recently, according to a quick interview I did with a guy that's lived in this area for a long time, he said they relatively recently pushed the Section 8 low-income housing people out of here, and now a construction company is coming in. I think they're going to gut these places, renovate them. They're going to build condos, new housing developments. There's a map down there showing what this future layout's going to look like.
Kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me.